Hello, good morning, friends. Thank you for watching my video. Welcome to another video with SD. मैं हूं SD Shananda Das, multi-asset trading and investment specialist. In this video, I'm going to take a look at the commodity market and the commodity market. What I'm thinking is what kind of trade I'm thinking about or doing about. That's I'm going to discuss largely from the fountain of gold or the technical side of the aspect. In addition to the technical side, I also do macro fundamental analysis as well as sentiment analysis to improve on my trades, signals that are coming technically. But here I'm basically discussing my broad outlook regarding the technical side of the picture using my fountain of gold setup. तो जो लोग जानते हैं, those who are regular watchers, you know, to create the fountain of gold setup, we'll have to go to indicators, invite only SD Rainbow Wave version 1 and SD RSI X. So it is already plotted. I went to SD Rainbow Wave version 1 and SD RSI X. And in this one, I'm basically taking a look at the S&P GSCI. That is the representative of the global commodities or global 24 commodities. This is where I'll start my technical side of the analysis. So overall, I can see continuously since the buy signal in my setup, the S&P GSCI has been moving on the upside and it has given so far good return, and with the empty line broken down, it is likely to now test this top level and probably move even higher. So commodities are seeing good comeback overall. To understand the overall commodity trend, we also take a look at the USCI, which is United States Commodity Index, and it has also shown equally very strong comeback in the commodities. So overall, the commodity space has gone from bearish to back to bullishness. And जो commodities already strong थे, like agriculture, they have given awesome move. As you can see, it has been an awesome move, especially after the head and shoulder. Here we have an inverted head and shoulder breakdown. And after a marginal correction last night, agriculture went back fired up. So agriculture commodities are going, soft commodities are going up. In addition to that, if I'm taking a look at BBB or the best metals, it is at an important level. We don't have a super breakout like we already seen in the agriculture. Base metal is in a more consolidation mode. So you have to take these into account. So once this part is done, I'm going to take a look at the MCX scores to decide what the trades are going to happen. This is a trade that is coming today, is the copper. After the correction, we have a full green candle, short-term momentum bullish. This is where I can enter some quantity in copper. But my quantity, my stop loss will not be below 821 around this case. And I'll not go for big quantity as there are strong flat resistance region and I expect the rally to struggle. We also have double tops coming up, 833. So the upward journey for the copper may not be very smooth, but we have to participate into this one in a more risk managed way. I'm taking a look at the aluminium, where aluminium is trying to make a comeback. You can see from the line chart and also from the specialized candle charts. It's a full green candle, short-term momentum bullish. Only concern is white cross is outside the candle body. That means this buying comeback may not have the enough traction to move up. It's a warning, usually white cross. Not always it will be successful, means saying that it is a warning that the buying may not be successful. It's not always works out, but it's definitely work out many times. So it is a general warning that this green candle has some problem in it with the minimum stop loss or white cross is outside the candle body. As you can see, the white cross is outside the candle body. Now we are going to take a look at zinc. Zinc is making a comeback as well, just like aluminium, but zinc is much has a stronger base. If we can see a breakout in zinc, zinc can be long worthy. We can go long on zinc. It is a full green candle, short-term momentum with me. So zinc looks like much more bullish, but even in zinc, we are not going to hold stop below 265. It's dropping. We'll prefer to square off the zinc long. Lead has been battered, trying to make a comeback. We'll avoid lead for now. Largely not much going on with the lead. So once base metals are done, we are going to take a look at international gold and silver to understand what are the trades we should play with gold. And simple and clear, we should buy gold and keep on the long position going in gold. Gold has been very bullish at its record run, every day making into new record high in gold price. If you look at India, price is almost about to close the record high. We got a duty cut. That's why price violently dropped in India, and that gave an opportunity to buy gold at a much cheaper rate than previous. And now gold is testing an important level. I think it is a matter of time now. Just it goes to record high in India. So in addition to that, silver has been bullish. I do have some long position in silver, but my preference remains for the gold. Gold has historically been better protector of wealth than silver. But silver has also broken some key level, so we'll prefer to remain on the long side with the silver. So overall, gold, silver positive. Aluminium, we can have a comeback. Zinc, we can have a comeback. Copper is already coming back. So more risk managed way, we need to participate in the best metal. Gold, silver has been going well into our long position. Natural gas has been doing pretty well in our long position. This breakout lovely. I highlighted that across the social media as it was happening, and now looks like it is about to reach our very important target level around this area, 202.78. If we look at India natural gas price, it will be more clear about the levels. जो लोग MCX में trade कर रहे हैं, it is heading towards this important level 232. So it has given very solid breakout. So awesome going on in natural gas so far. Now here we need to take a look at crude oil as well. Crude oil, I'm looking at the MCX chart. We should look at the international chart as well. Crude has been a comeback story, but flattish comeback. If you look at the line chart, there has been a struggle in crude. Crude is struggling to break this key resistance. Lot of resistance coming on the way of crude. So crude upward journey, though it has started, it may not be a smooth one, but a rough and bumpy ride for crude oil. But overall, it remains bullish, and further rise in crude oil remains very much possible, that I can say looking at the international chart. But is it going to be a major reversal for crude oil? Crude oil is going to be back to $80. It is too early to go for such kind of prediction. All we can see is crude oil is coming back and the strength is not strong enough yet. So once the strength is strong enough, we can build on to our crude oil positions. So that's all, my friends. On the commodity side, we have largely covered all the commodities. I hope this video helped you. Agar help ho raha, don't forget to like and subscribe. All the best to all of you. And as always, happy trading.